Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is will. Here is a picture of someone who will go to a doctor's appointment. Here is will in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Will means it is used for expressing the future tense. Will. Past progressive none, past would, present progressive none, present will, and future will. But it's usually used in the future tense. Let's build a sentence. I will. Today, we will use the future tense. Let's build a sentence. I will... What? What will I do? I will buy. Okay. Will is a verb that is very often used in the English language. Will is used to express desire, preference, choice, or consent. Express the future. Express capacity or capability. Express determination. Let's build a sentence. I will buy... What? What will I buy? I will buy vegetables and meat. I like this already. Let's build a sentence. I will buy vegetables and meat. How? How will I buy them? I will buy vegetables and meat from the store. Let's build a sentence. I will buy vegetables and meat from the store. When? When will I buy them? I will buy them from the store soon. Let's build a sentence. I will buy vegetables and meat from the store soon. Why? Why will I buy them? I'll buy them from the store soon to make dinner for my family. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These words make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.